the next question is, how important do you think it is for students to take their own notes and prepare documents while they're in the bootcamp? And why they should not depend on the notes, why they should do their own, basically.
So yeah, taking notes is very important because everyone, they have their own way to learn. So someone like, for me, when I just start taking notes, I just use a notebook. And then, like this is and then I just got a Jihad Bhai maybe said, no, Apu, this is not a good thing. If you want, you can just go. But the good or the best practice is to work with Microsoft Word or the document. Because and after I completed that, when I need to review all of my workshop or few of my according to my job description that I'm just going for interview. So I just found, yeah, this is the thing, like if I just document this, because the notebook is good, but every time I just need to look forward here and there. But if I just note it in the any document or Microsoft Word or Google Doc, I just, use this search bar. I just go for the keyword and I will find that line one, the line I'm just looking for, or the keyword I'm just looking for. This is the best thing, that you can just make it hand note on the any, like Microsoft Word or Google Doc. And the second thing, hand note is very important because our workshop video is around 4 hours, sometimes it's 5 hours. And when you are just prepared for the interview, so you have to went through some of the content that you just did on the workshop. And on that time, there is like this is impossible to go again 4 hours of workshop to find the exact thing you're looking for. So on that time, hand notes come in the picture, and then you will just go through your notes. If you just read one line, you will find, okay, so as I remember, this topic came after that, and then you will find it in a very quick way, instead of you're just spending your another 4 hours to find that whatever you're looking for. So, and the second thing is, if you just doing the hand note during your workshop, so you will just, like if you got some confusion on the right, right away, you can just knock your private coach, and then they will just clarify with you, and then you can just also taking their answer, and then you can add it in your note. Because after you are just passing with your workshop, you will forget what your private coach give you the answer. So this is the way, if you have any issue, you can just right away write it down on your note or on your somehow you can just save that, so it will be easy for you after that.
Yes, so the 30 seconds, it is also important when you do any job, especially being a DevOps engineer. You will be fixing so many issues. You will be creating the new process. You will be creating new procedure in your infra, in your environment. Most of the companies are lacking creating the documentation. So this is one of the best uniqueness, that you do it passionately, then you can speak in your interview. This is one of the steps that will actually the step up in your career path, like as you mentioned details. So your documentation is the key for you here and any job you go.